Hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 5th of October. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start, Pisces. Overall energy for this week for Pisces people. We have the turning in. You are going to be mostly inwards in this particular week. You are not going to be too much chirpy or lovely doubly or too much expressive, or you might not feel the desire, the urge to connect with the outside world much. You might be trying to figure out a lot of answers. You might be trying to figure out the questions of your life, the deep rooted questions of your life, and you might be trying to seek the answers, but you are fed up with the outside world. You're not getting the proper answers, you're not getting the proper guidance, and actually other people, other things, and their answers are haunting you. Now this is the time for you to turn into yourself and ask for the guidance within yourself, and you are going to get the answers very clearly in front of you. So basically the path is going to be more and more clearer for you the more you are going to stay in touch with your inner self and turn into yourself. So the whole week, this week, the overall energy is of turning into yourself and talking to yourself, taking time for yourself, disconnecting from the outside world and connecting with yourself. Okay, let's see what we have. So for today we have beyond illusion. So your intuition power is very heightened this particular day. You will be able to see things, people, situations, and everything beyond the illusions. You will be able to see the truth and reality of a lot of things right now at this present moment, because your intuition is going to guide you in a very beautiful way, and you will be able to stay connected, stay in touch with your intuition, and you will be able to see beyond the illusions and lies, manipulations. You will be able to see and feel the reality and truth of other energies around you, including yourself. Okay. 30th, we have the understanding. Now, you might be like one of this bird who is sitting on the cage, and this bird is kind of feeling like it can't fly, you know. But you guys have to similarly. This might be the problem with you. You might think that you can't do certain things, but other people are thriving, other people are reaching heights, other people are doing everything. They are flying high, they are achieving good heights in their life, they are achieving good name and fame, but I can't do it. But because I have limitations, maybe I don't deserve it, maybe I don't have wings to fly. This you have to understand, that this is your self created limiting belief that is stopping you from achieving whatever you want to achieve. If others can fly high, you can also do that. So basically, you can give your best from your side. Until unless you're not going to try and give your best, you don't have any right to say, I can't do it or I can't achieve it. Even if you are going to fail, you are going to have experience that you can use in the next chapter of your life. You guys need to understand this, Pisces, that nobody can stop us from achieving what we want. It's our own understanding and conditioning and limiting belief that keeps on stopping us and creating the cage for ourselves. 1st of October, we have the postponement. Now some kind of delays might be happening, and they might be making you sad or a little bit frustrated. But this postponement is actually teaching you a lot of patience. Sometimes postponement and delays are actually protection for us. We as humans might not be able to understand the actual meaning of the delay and the postponement energy, but afterwards we realize that whatever happens for a reason. So this postponement is teaching you patience, and this is happening for a very valid reason, for a very good reason, happening for your highest good. Whatever is good for us, whatever is meant for us, comes to us eventually, sooner or later in our lives. And whatever is not, we can't force anything or anyone to be there. So this is patience, this is demanding for patience, and this knowing that whatever is happening for your highest good on this particular day. Okay. 2nd of October, we have the possibilities. Pisces, you might be, the sun is going down in this particular card, and the eagle is not able to see anything clearly. So you are not able to see some few things in your life clearly right now. It doesn't mean that you will never be able to see them clearly. You will never be able to see the path. You will definitely be able to see the path ahead of you very, very clearly. All you have to do is you have to have the patience and the trust and faith on yourself, on the divine, that the sun is bound to come up at some day, on some day, and you will be able to see everything clearly. The possibilities and opportunities are going to be right in there, are going to be right there in front of you. From your side, keep doing your best, keep giving your best. Okay. First, second, third, we have the compromise. Now, in order to keep something in your life, keep something or someone in your life, you don't have to compromise your own dignity and your own self-worth. Make sure that the compromise or the sacrifice that you are planning to do for something or someone is worth it. Okay, make sure that whatever you are trying to maintain here or trying to keep here is worth keeping. Otherwise, there's no use of losing your dignity, losing your own self-worth in order to maintain or keep going with an illusion. Just make sure whatever you are trying to save here is worth of your time, effort, resources, and compromise. Hmm? Fourth, we have the success. Now, honey, you might get some kind of success, and you are going to you are going to feel like at the top of the world, and you're going to feel like, oh my God, I achieved it. You should definitely celebrate your success. You should celebrate it like crazy, but at the same time, stay humble and grounded. Don't be in this arrogance. Don't be in this energy of, okay, nobody else can achieve it, I did that. That ego is going to kill your happiness, is going to kill the energy and vibrations of your success. Enjoy your success, share it with others, and try to help others also in order for them to achieve that kind of success. So instead of getting all arrogant about it and getting in this negative mindset about it, that only I can achieve that, or only I deserve that, try to be helpful and remain humble and grounded, and share your happiness with everyone. Okay, with that energy. Awesome. Fifth, we have nothingness or nothingness. Now, the universe is going to provide you a clean slate, a brand new beginning in some area of your life. Whatever you are going to write on this slate now, whatever energies, efforts, mindset you are going to put into this clean slate kind of energy is going to become your reality in the coming future, or you can call it destiny. Hmm? So you can definitely change your destiny with your karma, with your actions, with your mindset. So there is some area of your life where you are going to have a brand new beginning, a brand new chapter, a clean slate. You might have achieved this clean slate after lots of conflicts and problems and issues in your life. Don't let it go into drain. Don't let it go into wastage. Make good use of this thing. Okay, you deserve the brand new beginning, the brand new start, brand new life. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, Pisces. Totality. So whatever you are going to do from your side, make sure you are going to give your heart and soul. You are going to do that thing with totality, whatever it is, right? Small thing, big thing. So for this particular week, the guidance here is live your life to the fullest with totality. Totality means with awareness, with mindfulness, okay, with love and compassion. mindful eating, mindful driving, mindful talking, mindful connecting with yourself, mindfully seeing your own emotions and your things. So give your 1000% from your side, enter into the space with totality, and you're good to go for this week. Okay. And do not refrain from taking help if you feel like you should take help from someone in order to achieve something, maybe finishing a project, maybe taking help for your health or something. Do not refrain from asking for help, okay, even if you're not going to get it. That's a different thing. Hmm? Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.